Have you ever noticed how the most powerful person in the room is usually the quietest? In a world that can't stop talking, silence is a superpower, but it is also a psychological weapon. Most people are terrified of silence. When a conversation drops into a quiet pause, they feel awkward. They feel a sudden urge to fill the gap, so they start talking. And when people talk too much out of nervousness, they reveal their secrets, their weaknesses, and their insecurities. Dark psychologists know this. When you ask someone a question and they give you a half answer, don't say anything. Just look them in the eyes and stay completely silent. The pressure of that silence will force them to keep talking, revealing the truth they were trying to hide. The less you speak, the more weight your words carry. When you constantly comment on everything, your voice becomes background noise. But when you remain quiet, people wonder what is going on inside your head. They naturally assume you are analyzing them, calculating your next move, or that you know something they don't. Silence creates an aura of mystery, and mystery creates deep respect. When someone attacks you or insults you, their goal is to get a reaction. They want you to get angry, to scream, or to defend yourself. If you respond with absolute silence and a cold, calm look, you completely destroy their power. Your silence says, "Your words cannot affect me." It turns their anger back on themselves, leaving them feeling foolish and out of control. Remember, noise is weak. Silence is absolute control. Next time you're in an argument or an important meeting, try saying absolutely nothing for 10 seconds. Watch how the energy in the room completely shifts toward you. Are you a loud person, or do you use the power of silence? Let me know in the comments.